Hey guys, so today I have got March's Medusa's makeup box to show you. So for anyone that hasn't seen me open these before, it's $16.95 to America and it's $26.95 or something like that to the UK. So it works out about £20 to the UK. But if you're in America though, it's super cheap. Like, to get these products separately in England, I said in my previous video, it works out maybe like between £7 and £12. And in these boxes you do usually get about 4 of them, so it is a good deal to get 4 for 20. Plus it's nice to get a little bit of a surprise. So I have not opened this March one yet, so we're going to open it together. Last month's was quite a nice box. It was the Valentine's one. I have filmed these on the same day, as you can see if you watch my videos normally. You can see I'm in the same room, but yeah, anyway, let's get on with it. So when I've opened it up, there's 3 little things inside. The top one is a free travel size mascara with any order, and the code is FREEMINI. So if any of you want to go and do that, then there is that. We have the same little like booklet that you seem to get all the time now. It tells you the new products for 2020, and then we have our little card which tells you what is in there. There is something in here that we've not had before, so that's cool. And this theme is spring break, so there is that. Now this box is all like Hawaiian looking and floral and yellow and everything. This was the Valentine's one that I just filmed that's all like pink and stuff, so it's nice that they do like a little theme, I guess. So the first thing in here is a lip gloss, and this is really weird. I swear I did not just use this. So in my last one I put on a lipstick and I didn't want to wear that out, so I took it off and I put on just a random sparkly pink lip gloss that I have in my bag, and this has a sparkly pink lip gloss in here. So this is a Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss, and it's in the colour Funky Town. So let's open this and see what this one looks like. It looks literally like what I have on again right now. I'm gonna do a little swatch on my hand though. It maybe looks a little glitterier than what I have on right now. Wow, that's real sparkly. I'm not sure if it's gonna really show up on camera how glittery it is, but let's see. So that is that lip gloss. Like I've said before, I absolutely love their lip glosses because they smell amazing. They smell like vanilla cupcakes, and I wear this every single day. These Medusa's makeup ones that we get in these boxes are kind of like my go-to general, just like keeping your lips nice and, you know, moisturized kind of lip glosses. They're not sticky, and I don't know, they're just really nice. I'm gonna put this one on top of this one. It literally looks the same color, maybe a little pinker possibly. But yeah, that is our first item anyway. Then next we have the other 3 in this little bag. So let's open this. Okay, I'm gonna leave the one that we've not had before till last. I'm gonna go to the eyeshadow first. We always seem to get an eyeshadow. I'm not a huge fan of them. I love the eyeshadows that they send, but I just don't carry around single eyeshadows. I always just have a palette with me, so they don't really get used. But anyway, this one is a matte eyeshadow in the colour Jamaica. It looks quite a weird nude sort of colour. I would have thought in a spring break box they maybe might have done a bit of a neon kind of bright colour. This is literally like, this would make a really nice nude lip colour actually. But this is what it looks like. Very weird kind of brownish purpley pinky kind of colour. Gonna do a little swatch of that one. Honestly, you can literally hardly even see it. Like here. not sure how I feel about that. The lip gloss I really like. This is not something I'll probably really wear, but there is that. And then next we have an eyeliner, which I'm throwing around. This is Galactic Precise Eyeliner Marker. This doesn't say that it's a Medusa item. It is by Galactic. I've never heard of them before, but there we go. So it's like a pen eyeliner like that. Let's do a line here. Oh, okay. I mean, it's nice and black and straight and stuff, like, cool, okay. I don't usually use eyeliners like this. I use like a paintbrush kind of eyeliner. I'm usually not very good with these ones, but I'll definitely give it a go. It is kind of bleeding out into the lines here, so I'm not sure how great that would be on my eye, but I'll definitely try it out sometime. So there is that. And then the last item we have in here is the one that we've not had before, although I don't think we've had an eyeliner before, but I know that this is one of their new things for 2020, and it is the Aloha Perfume Oil. So looks like this. I'm going to assume it's a rollerball because it doesn't have like a spray thing in there. Yep, so let's, can't really smell it. Let's put this on my wrist. It definitely is an oil as well. You can feel it's like oily. I know that's a stupid thing to say, but sometimes perfume oils are just an alcohol-y liquid. This is actually literally an oil. I can smell it from here. It's a weird smell. It's nice, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm not sure if I really like it or if I don't like it. And I know that's a weird thing to say, but it's floral, I would say. I'm not a floral kind of person. But it's nice and fresh though, I guess. I would wear it. I would definitely, you know, throw it in a little bag if I'm going out or whatever, and it's like just to have around. But I wouldn't choose to put it on in the morning, I guess. But yeah, it's a nice item to get at least. It's better than getting all the same stuff all the time. So that is that. So I'm going to put everything back in the little boxes and stuff and show you it all together. So just as a little recap, we got the Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in the colour Funky Town. We got this Galactic Eyeliner pen. We got the matte eyeshadow in Jamaica. And we got the Aloha Perfume Oil. So these 4 things for £20 roughly to the UK, or $16 to America. Not my favourite box, but also not my least favourite box. I don't really think this eyeshadow is a great colour personally. Maybe for darker skin this might look really nice because it's a nice pale kind of colour, or maybe as like a transition colour. I don't really get all that stuff. I just blend my eyeshadows all together all at the same time, so I'm not good at that kind of stuff. But maybe if you're having more of a neutral eye, then this might be really nice. But yeah, that was everything that was in Medusa's makeup for March. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe. I'll put the links down below for Medusa's makeup in case you want to go and check them out. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.